Okay, friends, we're getting through our first week of the One Funnel Away Challenge day by day. Before you've even started to build your funnel, you're going to want to engage with your dream customers. Creating your online business means you must be connecting with your dream customers. You may have the best product in the world, but if no one has ever heard of you, you will have no business. If an online business guru that you're listening to tells you all about everything except, driving traffic and engaging with your audience, then they're not helping you to get your business up and running. So do this now before you build your sales funnel. Get into this idea of already having potential customers who have already heard about you. They've commented on your posts or they get your emails. They are waiting for you to offer them something to buy. So this activity today is an extension of the training in the free 5-day lead challenge. And if you have not done the lead challenge, you should check that out. Click the link that's in the description so that you have an idea of what it means to begin to drive traffic and build up your customer base before you've even created your product. You are looking for the people who will be part of your community as interested customers for years to come. So take the time to engage and be ready to deliver value. All right, so social media posting, that's what this day is about, is getting your posts out there and starting to engage with the people who you think can best benefit from your core results framework. So there's two ways to do it, manual or paid. I don't know if there's another one, but that's basically it. Go in there yourself, create your post ideas, put things down in Word or Excel or notes or wherever you like to make notes about things. Just when it pops into your head, things that you could be posting about related to your flagship framework, related to your core results, related to your products. Post daily or use a scheduler in an app if that's applicable. So think about this. What do you want to be saying every day? Because even if you're using paid social media post processes, you still need ideas. So what are the ideas? Create a content map. What does it look like? If you're going to hire somebody to post on your behalf, what is the content saying? You should write it. Maybe they can fix it up for you, tweak it a bit, but you really got to be coming up with those ideas because at the end of the day, this is your business and you're the one who's telling your dream customers that there's something there for them. So you could have the person you hire complete everything, actually go into all the social media, put the posts up, track it and all that kind of stuff. But you're the one who's really got to think about it, often the one who needs to write it and the one who needs to stay on top of it. So this is all about getting to those customers who are looking for you and who you could be working with if they knew you were out there. So that's what the work summary is for today. Engage with your dream customers on social media. Find them. Start, if nobody knows who you are, find groups that are talking about what you want to talk about and start being valuable. Add valuable information to the conversation, answer people's questions. Create a posting calendar of topics and ideas that you will post about, things that you think are really important, that are really interesting. Don't forget in the challenge to check out the other videos, especially, there was one about starting a conversation on social media. If you haven't done a lot of social media posting for business purposes, if it kind of freaks you out like it did me, just learn how to enjoy it and to grasp it as a way that you're reaching the people you want to reach. Forget about the bad guys, forget about the trolls and all that kind of stuff. You're going after your dream customers, and so you want to focus on that, and you want to focus on finding them and letting them know that you're out there. So today's result, get your social media posting calendar organized. When are you going to post? What are you going to post about? Where are the ideas going to come from? And remember, you want to be consistent. If people see you once or twice, they might be, whatever. But if they see you every day, they might start to pay attention. So our results today, you've got all these, the first set of things that were done, and now we're on to the social media posting calendar, topics and ideas that you can use to engage with your dream customers. And again, think about the overall process. You've come up with a core results framework. You've come up with a bunch of products around that you are a solution for your customers. And now you're reaching out to those customers so they know that you're out there, that you have something, and you can begin that conversation. You might end up changing your products based on that conversation with your dream customers, and that's fine. In fact, that's fantastic if you're getting direct feedback from the right people. Don't sort of change everything because one person tells you, but if you consistently hear things from the people you most wish to engage with, that's when you can start looking at what your products are. Now, when it comes to a social media posting calendar or something like that, kind of official, it can cost you nothing. You can just do it yourself every day. Just set some time on your calendar, or you can pay for one of the apps. I use Hootsuite, which I'll show you in a second. And so you could do that, or you could pay somebody, to do it for you. So there's kind of a range there of whatever the cost could be based on what you'd like to do. But in general, it doesn't cost you anything. And for both my info product, which is the recast process, and the Ravencross book series, I use Hootsuite. Just showing you what it looks like here, a blank page around. You go in and you can set up all of your different social media accounts, and then you just pick your dates and times and you start posting away, and it's all scheduled. It all goes out to the platforms for you. And it's just a way, if you do a lot of posting, if you have a lot of ideas and you just want to sit down and get them all done at once, you don't want to be going in and out of the apps all day long, then this having some kind of a app is has a posting calendar is a great way to do it. But again, you could just do it for free, set it up yourself, and just be consistent about it. Okay? So don't forget, reach out if you have any questions, comments, concerns, issues, and let me know how you're doing so far. We're getting to the end of week 1. There's a bunch of stuff for you to catch up on, but you're in a great place and you're still with us. So, we're going to just get through this together, get your business up and running. So let me know what your questions are, and I will see you in the next day.